How to hide work experience in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your work experience on LinkedIn. So now without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you are inside the LinkedIn, simply click on me icon at the top and then select settings and privacy. Now, from here on the left hand side, simply click on visibility and then look to the right and select edit your public profile. Now you just have to scroll down a bit and on the right side you'll see a list of options. Here just turn off the toggles for current experience and past experience. And that's it. Now your work experience will no longer be visible on your public LinkedIn profile. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.